So now the case goes before the magistrate to conduct the discovery procedure. I mean, that's his job now. And then we go through this, and the clock is ticking for America Online to file an answer to my complaint that they filed a motion before the district judge, TSE the third, and he denied it. I filed objection to it, and he denied it. And we were going through the procedure, and I'm filing the right papers, report of parties, planning conference, and joint discovery plan. I did everything according to the law. The layman followed the law. But the experts violated. They crucified the law. Because they're experts in what? In crucifying the law. And they could get away with it. So what they do? No, they're not to file an answer. They went before the magistrates. They went into what's called forum shopping. They went shopping for a judge, different court. There's an order from TSE the third that denied their motion not to file an answer, and they have to file an answer. So they go file the same motion. I think it was an oral motion. During the discovery before the magistrate judge. That's a no-no. This has nothing to do with discovery. This does with the original procedure, a motion that the district judge already denied. Welcome to the USA. TSE Ellis III already denied their motion for extension of time. Now what they do, they file the same motion before the magistrate judge. Welcome to the USA. This is the foreign lawyers that they got against the layman. And I was not present. I told them at the beginning, I'm too far, so we conduct all the hearing by phone. If there's a hearing, then it has to go by phone. If there's no hearing, then according to the pleading, according to what we file. You have to zip it. Don't say nothing in front of the judge except what you file, because that will be considered ex parte. You have something to say, put it in motion. Send it to me. I'm too far. Okay? I cannot travel. I have no money, I have no place. I cannot even travel. Hotel? Where's the money for a hotel? So, is it allowed to do it by pleadings? Yes, it is. And it was allowed, and it was accepted. So the judge, the magistrate, he's under the authority of TSE the third. He goes against the order of TSE the third. He's a magistrate, and he goes vacate the order of the district judge. Never happened in the reported history of the United States judicial system. Didn't happen. Magistrate judge overrules the district judge. Did it ever happen? Only in Nawab versus AOL. You see? I'm the layman, and that's what they do. So what I do? I'm a layman. I don't take it. I file what? You see the file stamp in color. I file motion to vacate the order of what? Of March 30, 2003. This magistrate judge is transgressing on the district judge. He's violating the law. He has no authority. So he committed treason to the Constitution. Welcome to the land of the traitors. This is the record. This is the record. This is what the record says. They say I'm a layman. right? They are corrupt. They are traitors. What did I tell, among other things, in this motion? How many page motion I filed? Supported by caseloads, relevant caseloads. 6 pages. You see? 6 pages. And I write in it, among other things, I said that on March 19, 2003, the next day of filing of their motion number 17, according to the docket, and without a plaintiff's presence, that's ex parte, because I was not present there, defendants raised the issue of extension of time not to file their answer at the Rule 16b conference. Rule 16b conference, you don't go vacate the district judge orders before a magistrate. It has to do with the discoveries only. You don't touch the orders of the district judge, but they did. And what did they do with at Rule 16b conference before Honorable Magistrate Judge Thomas Rolls Jones Jr. So this magistrate judge, he told the TSC Ellis the third, boom, you are nothing. I'm in control. Now I became a district judge. You know, district judge, they will be appointed by the president. You know that? And this magistrate will be hired or whatever. So he overruled his boss. Welcome to the USA. If they could suspend the Constitution of the United States, they could do anything. Crucify the Constitution. And in that, I was crucified. My children were crucified. And then on March 30, 2003, and without subject matter jurisdiction, the magistrate judge entered an order granting defendants' motion for extension of time in which to file an answer. Honorable Magistrate Judge is without authority to vacate this court order of March 5th, 2003. The magistrate has no authority to overrule the district judge. It happens in the USA. He has no authority to vacate this court's order of March 5th, 2003 and granting defendants' motion for extension of time in which to file an answer. He has no authority. So null and void. So the judgment of TSC Ellis III is void. For many reasons, not just this. For many reasons. I cited some of them. Subsequently, the magistrate judge order of March 20th, 2003 is void. Null and void. That's nullity. And should be vacated. Should be vacated. Null and void order. They don't stand in law. They must be vacated. Furthermore, the order of March 30 should be vacated for other reasons such as, but not limited to, the following. I'm not going to go through this, but you see, this is the USA. That's what they did in the legal system, in the courts, in the papers, in the documents. And that's what they did against my life, threatened my life, only because of this AOL case. They want to bury the secrets of the 9/11. They did it in any way, shape, or form. Somebody would say, oh, they went through the legal system, and this is the... No, they didn't go through the legal system the right way. I took them to the legal system, and they violated the Constitution. They crucified the Constitution, okay, to dismiss the case. Because they don't want this case to go before the jury. This case must go before the jury, and the jury will see the facts. And the people will see what happened, who was planning the September 11 attacks. And then the videos will be played. We'll see more and more terrible things. So they don't want that. So they did it in any way, shape, or form. And I was defending Islam. And the Muslims are sleeping. No one helped. He did. That's enough. Because sometimes I say because Allah does not want them to have some credit, some reward. You know? That's in His plan. And we'll see what will happen next. Thank you.